tools for board replacement with the Kool Glide Iron: a circular saw with a carbide tip blade, a hammer, chisel, vacuum, utility knife, blue tape by 3M model 2080, dust broom, dust pan, a table saw, a tapping block, the Kool Glide Iron number 100, and carpet seam tape, not double stick. Using the blue tape, tape around the damaged board and mark the board where you need to cut. Draw a line from the corners of the board at a 45-degree angle toward the center of the board. Then draw a line down the length of the board 1 inch from each side. Set your circular saw to cut the thickness of the replacement boards. Make cuts using the circular saw, being careful not to cut into the surrounding boards. Vacuum the sawdust from the area. Remove the blue tape. Using the hammer and chisel, remove the centerpiece from the damaged board. Carefully remove both end pieces. Carefully remove the long side pieces. You will need to make the following modifications to the replacement board prior to installation using a table saw. Blade height should be set to the top edge of the tongue. Remove only the exposed tongue that protrudes from the side of the plank. A. Remove the tongue from the long side of the board. B. Remove approximately 1.5 inches of the groove side from the tongue end. Remove the ridge from the groove end of the short end using a rasp, utility knife, or a wood chisel. Place the seam tape under the groove edge of the existing floor, the full length of the opening. Insert the replacement board, locking in the side joint on the groove side. Rotate the board down flat to the floor. Using a tapping block, tap the groove end into place. Place the iron on top of the product at one end. Using the medium setting, heat the adhesive. After the iron has gone through its heat cycle, move the iron down the seam 8 inches and apply hand pressure to the heated area. Continue this procedure the entire length of the seam.